Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, in this video we are drawing 2D shapes. Let's learn some colors. These are our colors. Sky blue color, brown color, this is purple color, violet color, pink color, red color, yellow color, dark green color, dark blue color, black color, and light green color. Let's start drawing 2D shapes. Pentagon, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. This is a square. Triangle, 3 sides. Rectangle, circle. Let's color these shapes. Red color, pentagon. Let's choose yellow color. Yellow color, hexagon. Let's choose dark green color. As well, I like watercolors. Dark green color, square. Red color, triangle. Yellow color, rectangle, but the actual yellow color is this one. This is a bit greenish yellow. Dark green color, wow, we have done. Let's revise. Pentagon, hexagon, square, triangle, rectangle, circle. प्यारे बच्चों, आप भी इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करें. Dear kids, you also do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.